What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at QQQ, that is Nasdaq, and SPY, S&P 500, and we'll take a look at individual stocks, Microsoft, Apple, Google, Amazon, Meta, and Netflix as for the tech stocks. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for education purposes, alright? So QQQ, guys, as I have been saying that, let's start off with the QQQ and SPY today. As I have been saying that we are bullish since the time bulls held this pivot level of 421, and intraday I said that intraday, the way the candle has come, once we get out of this 20 days, usually the third pivot is the one that usually cracks the full structure as well on the daily, and I said that, and we got that structure break. And I also said once we broke out of this 435, once we were here in this blue box, I said, guys, there's just more probability, likelihood, 80% we are still bullish, we'll continue higher. We did that. We got higher today as well. Looking great. Like I have been saying it, we are bullish right now on this structure after, well, here we were in distribution phase. Then we were in the flush zone, sell-off zone. We talked about all of this. Then we were intraday going up, and then we were rebounding and selling off. I talked about this as well. That's why we have a blue box there. Then I said there's a pivot forming, right? Expect this time to crack open this to the upside because the pivot is holding at 421, and we got that. All these moves, I have been talking to you guys day by day, day after day, everything. Things are working out just how we planned, and the price structure as we have been talking about. Now what? Technically, we are full on in the bullish structure on QQQ. There's a high likelihood that we'll test 448 before making any other price action or the move. QQQ is fully bullish right now, guys. It's not bearish unless it loses this 50 days moving average. Or, well, it's not still going to change the structure. There's a structural support at 432. Technically, any sell-off comes, even if it stays above 50 days moving average or above 435, it's still just a pullback in the bullish structure right now. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval. I just want to show you my day trading bot as well on QQQ. It's been doing awesome. Even the swing bot has been doing awesome. Let's take a look at day trading bot. Good money being made, right? Good position taken, good money taken, right? Profits. Just want to show you that. If you need access to my tools, links under this description below of this video. I have 2 indicators, 2 trading bots, and Wall Street alerts. Links in the description. All right. Now, yeah, so that's QQQ, guys. Still staying bullish. Just, you know, watch the levels as I said, and the structure is bullish, guys. Okay. And if you want to know how structure is bullish, I just said all of that. So just rewind the video and just go, you know, maybe, yeah, just go over it again. SPY, I have been saying that once we break out of the structure of 507, we'll again become bullish, and bulls, if they want to rotate, they want to rotate above the pivot of 497. They've got to form the pivot. They form the pivots here. And this time I said this is very likely. If we form a higher pivot, we most likely going to break out of it. We did that. And I have been talking about that, guys. SPY is bullish as well, and we have been bullish. I'm not going to show you my day trading bot on this. It's bullish as well. You can just go and, I mean, if you have access to it, you already know. If you need access to it, as I said, links in the description below. So yeah, so I expect SPY to continue and reach all the way to 524, in my opinion. It's not bearish right now. The structure we have is until $510, right? As long as we are above it, the structure is still bullish. All right. Now, is there any sign of bearishness I'm seeing? No, I'm not seeing any sign of bearishness here. As I said, we have broken out of the neckline. 510 structure is back to bullish. As I said, most likely we'll test 524 again. All right, that's QQQ and SPY. Let's go to the Microsoft. So what are we seeing with Microsoft? So we got those cool-offs play, but after that, like this was the cool-off play I was calling out, and but after earnings, but then we got out and above of 397, and this was an area of structural change again, and from then we have gotten bullish again intraday. And yes, Microsoft is still bullish. It has gone to the next level, 430. At this point, if any sell-off comes, I mean, if any sell-off comes, that will still be just a pullback as long as Microsoft is holding above 397. Okay, and if we get above 413, guys, that's a complete new structure again, complete new level, because this is a change of another step in the structure. But anyways, Microsoft is fully bullish. It's gonna stay even on hourly interval bullish, even if it comes tomorrow, pull back to 410, that's just a pullback. Right now I'm not seeing any structure of bearishness. Structure is full on bullish. Pullbacks on this can be bought, and this is just bullish in the structure. All right, Apple. So Apple post earnings, I have been telling you guys that this thing will most likely cool off, sell off, right? And we have been getting that. I said that we will test 200 days moving average eventually, and we'll see if it sticks over there, gets bought back up. Yes, we stuck over there. We got bought back up. We tested that. Now what? Is it going to continue lower, or is it going to hold support at that 200 days moving average? So I was watching this level of 178. At least this cool off may continue until 178, but right now so far looks like it's holding at 180. Oh, so here's the thing, guys. So Apple, if it want to go up, continue up, tomorrow is an intraday long if it gets above 182 and 34 cents. Otherwise, it's going to stay choppy in my opinion for some days. And if we then lose 180, then we are looking downside. So in my opinion, it's going to stay choppy unless it breaks above 182, and then it may start to go higher again. All right, that's Apple. Google. So let's go to the daily interval. So Google, guys, as I have been saying, it's in an uptrend, and this cool off just was a pullback, and right now it's still in an uptrend. Right now I'm not seeing any structure change, but I'm not going to buy here. Buying positions are closer to this pivotal structure, and these extensions is when you should be taking profits. But it's not bearish. Google is still bullish. Okay, Amazon. Amazon, I have been saying it's full on bullish, guys, and it's still not showing any signs of slowdown. And if it wants to continue, yep, it can continue higher. What is the next level after this? Are we at all-time highs now? Well, almost, yeah, guys. 188 is the all-time on Amazon. So here's the thing: if it breaks out of 188 and 71 cents, it's a continuation upside, and it's going to be a huge breakout. But if we start rejecting here as a double top, this will first be just a pullback to the 20 days moving average. Remember, it's just a pullback, not bearishness. Bearishness will only come to the downside if Amazon loses $180. Otherwise, until then, this is just an uptrend, pullbacks, and just an uptrend unless the levels breaks. Meta, I got out of my short position fully, and just because structure was looking like it's going up, and once we broke out of 446, I have been saying that it has a potential to rebound all the way to 476, and looks like it's going there. So if you have seen my videos, guys, just go to my channel. You already know I do these videos. Here we go, right? I have talked about all of these in QQQ and SPY, regular coverage I do on it, right? So check the videos out on my channel. Netflix. So Netflix, I have gotten out of the short position here fully because this structure was looking like it's going to go up, and I said that, guys, this rebound can continue all the way to 597. We have gotten that. Now it's at a pivotal point. What's that pivotal point? Well, if it breaks out of 597 again, guys, it's again into that bullish structure fully. If it has to reject, it has to reject at 603 max. And I'm just going to mark a blue box. This is not a resistance right now. Candle is looking very strong. What I'm saying is that if it starts rejecting in this blue box, then there is some first cool off to 579 and then lower to 547. Otherwise, one cool off if it comes to 579. But if this level holds, this is just a pullback, guys. Remember, intraday structure is still bullish, and if it does another pivot and starts to go up, it's full on bullish. But yes, this is in a bullish structure right now. I'm not seeing any price action of bearishness on this thing as well. Okay, and accordingly, any position taken can be taken with a stop loss. But this is now the zone you have to be very closely focusing on, $600 to $604. Because if we do a breakout, it's a continuation to the upside. If we fail here, then you are watching first a pullback, and if this level 579 holds, most likely it's going to go higher. But if we lose 579, we're going to come lower. But I'll talk more about in detail as price action evolves as well, day after day. Guys, that's it for this video. I know Palantir has its earnings today, so I'm going to do a video on that as well as later today. So, but this is all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, well, before going, actually, I want to show you my day trading bot on Netflix, guys, because this is looking really awesome. On Netflix, out of last 30 trades, we have only had what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of 30 trades, we only had 7 red days. Okay, 23 days positive. That's awesome. All right. As I said, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. again, just use them as a reference if you like. There's guarantee of nothing. I'm just showing you data, okay? How they have been performing. All right. Rest is your decision, your choice, what you want to do. I play no role and no part in that. With that, guys, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.